very nice indeed. I think it looks better. Well, third party firing costs will probably like triple, so it doesn't fully cost that. Maybe it's got trade plates on as well, you know, it's just like, leave it like an eighth of a tank of fuel. There you go, mate. Yes, in all seriousness, if you do know whether it's a Jet2 pilot or whether it's an Airbus pilot or whoever, no, they don't. They come and get at the hangar over there.